Hi, welcome to WASO, the Washington Support Office of the National Park Service. Hosted here are the servers that contain all of the applications that make up the Facility Management Software System, or FMSS, the Enterprise Asset Management System of the National Park Service. Maximo, AMRS, API, CRV, and all the systems that make up FMSS are housed on these servers here. The enterprise nature of our asset management system means that these individual components can share information, reducing the need for duplicate data entry. In addition, upgrades and maintenance can take place on these components at this one location instead of spread out across the entire NPS. This holistic approach to asset management is not an NPS creation, but is common in the world of asset management. Enterprise systems also provide for a set of common tools that all users can access. No matter what park or office you are in, you have access to industry standard systems that most parks could not afford to purchase or operate on their own.
At the park level, the tools provided in FMSS give us a platform on which we can inventory our assets, assess their condition, schedule work, and track our performance. The tools help us plan our work both in the short term and the long term. In addition, the data in FMSS can be retrieved and used by park management in its decision-making process.
At the regional level, the individual park data found within FMSS is consolidated to provide a larger picture of asset management within the region. Data can be used to allocate project funds, monitor those same projects, and determine O&M needs. The standardized format allows for the consistent review of park data.
At the Washington level, we use data that we draw out of our enterprise system to be able to do a couple things. One, be able to provide a basis for the Green Book as for all facilities budget needs. We also use it to be able to respond to inquiries from GAO, the Office of Management Budget, on other matters, congressional inquiries, and we're FOIA'd from time to time at the service-wide level to understand our facility management needs. You've seen recently we produce a deferred maintenance report that's public. That also comes from that enterprise of data. The main thing that we like to be able to do is provide those answers to those questions without reaching down to the parks every time somebody wants a piece of information from you.